Hey, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and I'm excited to be sharing with you today my new exclusive 310 West End Avenue apartment 8C. Built in 1927 by renowned architect Emery Roth, architect to the San Remo, Beresford, Ritz Tower, and this little jewel box on 75th Street in West End, which, by the way, this is what I call home because I live in the building as well for 20-something years. Upon entering this two-bedroom home, you are welcomed by an elegantly appointed entrance foyer with two closets. Follow me and let's check out the living room, dining room, and all that's here for you to see. The benefits of this particular kitchen seem to be never-ending. Beautiful marble counters, a stylish backsplash, high-end appliances, but most of all, the ability to be connected to your guest while you're cooking and enjoying your entertaining. Let's not forget this little retreat of a powder room for all your guests. We have a washer and dryer, through-the-wall air conditioning, beautiful 6/1 windows, millwork, custom, interior closets, custom, storage in the basement, all waiting for you. Did I mention this is a perfect spot to work from home? The sky, fairway, Citarella, right down the corner. Come back to your desk, do your work. After living in this building for 20+ years and having the privilege to help my neighbors come and go over 54 transactions, what I've come to learn and what's special about 310 is not only community, but really the scale and the fact that we have very, very few hallways. So you're really living in your home and experiencing every inch of the space. Once again, my name is Louise Phillips Forbes, and thank you so much for joining me here at 310 West End Avenue, 8C, and I'm waiting to hear from you now.